Hey everyone, I'm Sam from Ally Tech Advisors with another Ally Tech tip. Today I'm going to share with you how to recall an email. This may be helpful to you if you accidentally hit send on an email that wasn't proofread, was confidential, and you sent it to the wrong end user, or you simply just forgot to attach a document. Whatever the case may be, we're here to help. So assuming that your organization uses Office 365, you're using the Outlook application, locate your sent folder, double click on the email that you wish to recall. Under the message tab, you'll find the actions dropdown and click recall this message. Now, although it may recall the email, it still will notify the end user that an email has been recalled with the subject line. But this will still save you any embarrassment of a non-proofread email or saving you if you were sending confidential information to the wrong end user. Feel free to share this tech tip with anyone on your team. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button or visit us at www.allytechadvisors.com for more Ally Tech tips. Have a great week.